today, remember, don't judge someone because you don't walk in their shoes. You see, you really don't have any idea how far they've come or what they've been going through. So until you walk in their shoes, be careful how you treat others. They may be just having a bad day. Be that person. Be that person to say just the right thing that may turn their day around. Because really, those steps could be going in the other direction. Wouldn't you want someone to make your day a better day? Think about it and give someone encouragement today. Take that step out and make it a positive day for them, because it just may turn their day around.